We got an EC135. This is a helicopter for the medical. We got, yeah, that's why it's here. It's just in a parking lot, so that's cool. Just landed. Yeah, it is at a hospital, so it must just be sitting here for a little bit before it goes out and takes another flight. This is one of the closest aircraft I've ever been to that's not in like an air show or something. That's cool. Straight on with the EC135. So we got the helicopter. We're really close to it now. Like,
you jump on up in the pilot seat if you want.
Now I'm in the cockpit. This is awesome. Full functioning helicopter. This is crazy. Wow. Here it goes. Yep, here it goes. What the heck? Oh my god! That was crazy! And now he's going.